Today I brought over some samples of sandpaper we use in collision repair, and I was just going to show a few of them to you.
Okay, this is sandpaper?
This is sandpaper, right? It all looks differently. This is a piece of 3,000, and there are 3,000 particles of abrasive per square inch in this particular sandpaper.
Okay, so that's why it's super smooth?
That's why it's super smooth. And I was wondering if you could find out the surface area and tell me how many particles of abrasive are in that particular piece of paper right there.
My class could actually calculate this. We actually do a unit in geometry where we learn how to calculate surface area and volume.
Okay.
So we could definitely do that and tell you how many, what is the term? Microns or particles?
Yeah, microns or particles
You gotta teach
of
me these
abrasives.
words.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so we can do that and then work with your class on doing that. So can you tell me the difference in these sandpapers because they feel different?
This one is 80 grit, and there are
Okay.
80 pieces of abrasives per square inch in this one. The microns, or the particles, are bigger in this particular sandpaper than this one.
Oh, wow.
This one is like about 9 microns is the size of the particle, and this one is probably about 200. So,
Wow, okay.
so there are a little bit of difference.
Yeah, you can feel the difference. So this will be interesting for the students. So, and what's the difference? So what's happening as we get more particles? So this one has 3,000, this one has 80, am I correct? And this one's 40?
Yeah.
So what's happening here?
The higher the number, the finer the sandpaper, the finer the grit, the more smooth it is. So,
Awesome.
yeah, this
Okay.
one is 40. It is really rough.
Yeah, it really is. It's really sticky. It's kind of like filing your nails. You have like a polisher.
Yeah.
And then you have the filer. And so this would be to really grind the nails down. This would be to polish it to make it shiny. So I can make that relate to makeup and cosmetology. So
And there's several grits and a lot of grits in between. These are just the most popular ones. So.
oh, so this is the ones you would typically buy and to use in your house on sanding furniture and stuff?
No,
No, not these?
No, you would use this to water sand before you paint.
Oh,
So they're
okay.
400 grit. Okay.
Okay, wow.
But, anyway, if you want to work on figuring out the surface
Surface.
area, and how much is in each piece.
Yeah, so I think this is going to be a great way to really show how math can be applied to careers and to real world experiences for the students. So I'm really excited to show them and I'm really excited to let them calculate the surface area of this because we're going to have to subtract out the area that has been cut out. So I just think it's going to be a really neat experience for them and a really cool way to tie into classes.